In the long run, there are no shortcuts. Just you are breath and the road. Mid and long distance runners. It's about the sprint. It's about the silent between strides that echo when world feeds. Disciplines means you up when it's hard, when no watching, when progress feel invisible. The mind must be a trainer, like the body. Focus, patient, resilience. These are the miles that matter most. And in the long run, you learn it's not just about finishing. It's about who you become along the way. Track and field, it's just a sport. It's a journey, and every mile brings you closer to the vision of yourselves.